Hi guys, Uncle King Sapa Kito Kamaka, okay? So today I just want to give you a guide on how to start your own cleaning company here in Kenya, okay? It's not hard, it's easy. It's not hard as complicated as you might end up thinking how to start a cleaning company here in Kenya. It's easy and simple and a business to invest with just less than 10,000 or 20,000 shillings here in Kenya, okay? So let me tell you, if you are intending to start a cleaning company, then do the first thing. This is the first thing you should do. You create a social media page or account for your business. Engage the right community to increase visibility. Remember, this page or social media account is also the source for your first client. Also, you can share with your friends the idea that you are starting a cleaning company. They help you get clients so they can recommend people who needs your service. Okay, that's the first thing you should do in order for you to get your client. Number two, do not buy cleaning machines. Do not. Actually, let me tell you, it's not a good idea here to buy cleaning machines unless if you have huge amount of money. But let me tell you, the first thing you should do here is to find the source where you can lend or hire those cleaning machines. Actually, hiring is quite easier than buying. It's quite cheaper and affordable than buying. Remember, here you don't have any client. So after you find a source where you can hire, now you start finding clients. That money that you could have used to buy a cleaning machine, use it to invest in marketing so that your brand can increase awareness, can increase visibility. People can know about you and your products and the services you do so that you can get your first clients. And once you get that first client is when you hire the machine, come render the service and then return back. Actually, it will be quite cheaper than buying one, okay? Also, let me tell you something. Do not go to offer your service to your first client without uniform. Buy a branded uniform. Branded uniform increases the trust. Remember, the only thing you have here online is just a social media page or a social media account for your business. If you don't have uniform, it will be hard for you to win the trust from your client. The first thing you should do is to get the uniform, branded one with your name and the company logo. Yes, then that's when you can go and render the service. Also, note this, do not hire people to go do the first job or the first job to the first client, okay? Do it for yourself because you need to understand the basic of this company. You need to understand what it entails with the business. You need to understand, you need to build your name. Sending someone might destroy your name. Sending someone is putting your business at a risk. It's a good idea you go there yourself, market your business well, at least you get known, you get trusted, and so those people who are your first client can recommend you to other clients. And let me tell you, clients who come as a result of the recommendation are the best clients at all. Yes, those are your best clients at all. Those clients that comes because they have been recommended to buy the service from you. Those are your best clients. And once you mess them up, you mess the entire business. Now here then, after you have now created a social media, you have your first clients, you have done your service, and now you have started growing your clients. Here's when now you should start being legalized in Kenya. Being legalized basically means registering your business or to register your company with the company registrar. Yes, it's not quite expensive to register a company. Actually needs 10,750 shillings only, and the process can be done on your mobile phone via eCitizen. Okay, yeah. Also, let me tell you, After you have registered your company and it's now legalized and you've now started sourcing a lot of clients, it's now when you can start hiring people to help you offer the service. You hire someone, you train them, and then you guide them. You mentor them and watch how they are doing the service to your clients. And after this, then you can decide to come up with a website. A website also increases professionalism for your company. Also, it increases what we call trust and visibility, and it can also act as a marketing tool for your business. Yeah, that's all. That's all I could tell you. Starting an online cleaning company here in Kenya, it's not quite expensive, it's quite cheaper, something that you can start and make money with it. Yes, Uncle King's hapa kitu kama kawa. If you need digital marketing services, graphic design services, anything related to graphic design, digital marketing and web design, let's talk business. Uncle King's kitu kama kawa.